Welcome back to the channel. I'm talking quietly today because we are in the Calgary Public Library, the Central Public Library. This building is amazing. What I thought I would do today is come down and photograph some of the architectural features of this. I've talked to the staff and you can photograph this building. You just can't set up a tripod at all. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to walk around, handhold the camera. This building's incredible. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the GoPro on top of my camera so you can see what I'm shooting as I'm shooting it. But we've already found the first actual location here. I don't know which way to shoot this. I'm going to turn you around here. I don't know if I want to shoot it this way or this way just yet. But if I come down the stairs, then I'll get this staircase in the shot. And that'll be the leading line that takes us up to the shot. So I think that might be the shot, the first shot of the day, but let's see what it looks like. First shot of the day is I want to get the bison in the shot as well. Maybe go vertical for this shot? Yes, I will go vertical for this shot. My lens isn't wide enough to do the horizontal, but I might back up and do the horizontal that way. 2.8, let's go 400 ISO. And then I can mess with my shutter speed to bring it up. 1/125th of a second, focus in on that bison. Get a good roof line in it. Yes. So I'm just gonna wait for that family to move out of the way. Once they get up the stairwell a little bit, the stairwell will block them off. 400 ISO, 2.8, 1/125th of a second. Almost ready. Gonna make sure I'm level. There's level. Bring the bison to the lower part of the frame. Let's do a test shot here. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Okay, they're almost out. There they are. Oh, nope, she popped back up. And just the top of her head, almost there. Coming back into frame. Somebody else is coming up the stairs. It's busy because it's right by the main entranceway, but I can Photoshop him out. There. Just as I'm climbing these stairs, I see another shot. Check this out. The leading line of the staircase takes you up. That's kind of a neat shot. Let's see what we can do here. This staircase actually looks really nice. So I'm going to put you over here, set you up, and I'm going to shoot it. So we're going to go 1/500th of a second, 2.8. Oh, puppet. Everywhere I turn, there's a shot. Just look at this area here. We just have chairs. But if you get down low, that's a great shot. I love the shadows. I love the shadows that are coming in here. So let's do the shot right here. I'm still trying to talk quieter because there are people reading. I'm not worried about this gentleman here or that gentleman up there because their heads are down in the shot. So I'm not worried about exposing them in the shot at all. I'm just going to include that mural, but if I go down low, I can get the shot. 500th of a second, 2.8, ISO 100, and we'll go. A little underexposed, I'm going to bring it up a little bit, 2/50th of a second, and go. That's what I like. Let's try vertical. Focusing on that mural on the wall. Wait to find out if Pete gets his lunch. What happens when you take a mouse to school? Here, and then through the little window in the slats of the wood, you see the other side of the library. So let's just go tight in on that. 6/40th, 400, pop it and see what we get. It is starting to get busy here inside the library, so let's head on outside. Library. I couldn't say the word library. It is starting to get busy here inside, so let's pop outside, see if we can find a shot out there. Made it outside. The entranceway is actually a really cool sweeping wooden archway, so let's see if we can find a shot out here. It is kind of a dead kind of season right now. The flowers aren't in bloom, there's no snow on the ground, but let's see if we can find something out here as a composition. You know, I've walked around the building a few times now, and it is an ugly time of year to shoot. You know, it's not quite full on spring yet. We're just in the early stages of spring, so everything's brown and dead outside the building. There's no flowers, there's no snow covering that up. But more importantly, in front of the library right now, there are a lot of people that are just down on their luck and struggling. And I don't want to photograph that, not because you know, it's ugly for the shot. I just don't want to, I don't want to show people at their worst. So I'm not going to do an outside shot. I think we'll just call it, wrap it up. In the meantime and in between time, take care of each other, and I'll catch you next time.